Today, we are more connected virtually than we have ever been before, but people claim that they've never felt further apart. We can be socially distant and connected, but we can also be in the same room and be completely disconnected from each other. There's a lack of meaningful interactions happening between friends and family members. Computer programs, apps, and software solutions can be amazing teaching tools, but they should not become alternatives to the types of teaching that we know are most effective. Parents and kids feel busier than ever while feeling like they are accomplishing less and less every day. There is an unprecedented amount of incoming information to process, and we are all being exposed to it in one way or another. With this in mind, there are cognitive, critical thinking, and executive functioning skills many of our youth need to strengthen in order to teach them to think outside the box. The Afterschool Olympics is a free platform that uses research backed learning strategies to offer educational opportunities to people, either virtually or in person, that are meaningful. Through a combination of collaboration and competition, every learner has a chance to thrive according to their own educational individuality. This is like a learner's unique cognitive identity. It has taken years of observation, exploration, success, and failure to develop the Afterschool Olympics. This free educational resource is now being used by classroom teachers, homeschools, community based organizations, and families because it teaches people different ways of thinking and makes learning fun. It will take a monumental effort by all of us to maintain and grow the After School Olympics so that it can continue to reach our most vulnerable and under resourced learners. In New York State alone, in 2020, over 325,000 kids were pushed into or near poverty, and 70% of school age child care centers closed. Additionally, 4,200 children lost a parent between March and July of 2020. Please consider becoming a supporter, a donor, an in-kind donor, a challenge designer, or helping out in any way that you can.